Well, we had 7 reports of tornadoes in Illinois tonight. In fact, a bank had some damage. We had some buildings damaged in northwest Illinois. Then we had an apparent tornado destroy 2 barns south of Decatur, Illinois. And we had some tornado warnings up in our area in our northern counties, but thankfully the severe, at least isolated severe weather threat has ended. You can see the scattered thunderstorms moving off to the east here, so we're fine for the overnight hours. Still some heavy rain here east of Kokomo down towards Tipton, southern Miami County, and a couple showers up here towards Rochester. Our next disturbance is up here, and as that encounters a pretty warm, humid air mass tomorrow, I do expect scattered storms to bubble up in the heating of the day and the afternoon and evening. Can't rule out at least a few severe storms to pop tomorrow afternoon. Lows tonight, though, will be dropping to right around 62 degrees, so watch out for some areas of fog during the morning hours tomorrow as we cool to that dew point as the severe weather threat is ended. But what that severe weather threat did was dump some rainfall. So that's one of the main factors of forming some areas of fog tonight. Scattered severe threat tomorrow afternoon and evening. Main threat would be some hail. But again, there's a lot of directional wind shear tomorrow again, so I can't rule out a very isolated tornado threat for the afternoon and evening. And even though it looks capped and hot for the weekend, there are going to be storm clusters kind of dancing all around us, especially to our north. So we've got to watch those, especially for Saturday. Lows tonight around 60 to about 62 degrees, 62 Lafayette, 60 Monticello, 61 at Frankfort. And tomorrow, again, partly cloudy skies. It'll really start to heat up, and where that sun is maximized, mid-80s Fowler to Lafayette, but 80, 81 Peru, down Atlanta, down towards the Indianapolis, Lebanon area, 79 Rochester, 83 Monticello, and 82 at Morocco. So any scattered storms pulling away now. Watch for some patchy fog early tomorrow morning. But at 1 p.m. tomorrow, the clouds bubbling up, and that disturbance will come in from the northwest. So scattered storms popping in the afternoon with at least a scattered severe weather threat. These will fade away during the evening, and then the real intense part of the heat will start to move in Friday and on into Saturday. So notice the outlook for tomorrow again. With a warm front in the vicinity, a lot of wind shear and that disturbance kind of pivoting southeastward. Again, a scattered severe threat, highs in the 80s. Now Friday looks capped, but you'll notice storm clusters just to our north. So it's going to be a close call. Some of the models want to bring a few of these clusters in, not only Friday, but also Saturday. No matter what, it's going to be hot. 93 Saturday, then we're capped and partly cloudy Sunday, Monday at 93. For a cold front arrives Tuesday, it'll be hot, but thankfully that's going to cool us down a little bit by the middle part of next week. Notice 87 by next Wednesday. So there's your 86 tomorrow. Scattered storms, a few could be severe. 90 on Friday, 93 Saturday and Sunday. We're keeping rain out of the forecast for now, for that all-important Saturday forecast, but it's going to be a very close call because I still keep getting data that suggests a line of storms could sideswipe the viewing area Saturday afternoon. So you're going to want to tune into Cameron tomorrow morning and us tomorrow afternoon as we get new data and revise that.
And when will you know more for sure whether or not those storms are going to hit us Saturday?
Certainly tomorrow. We'll have a better idea. Tune into Cameron, and of course I'll have an update tomorrow evening.
Okay, we look forward to it.
Okay.
Thanks, Chad.